Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you subscribe YouTube channel. If not so, just do it now. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress automatically from your cpanel easily. So first go to your cpanel. Here is my cpanel. This is my cpanel. So first you need to log in your cpanel. Then you need to go to your WordPress section. This is the software application install section. So here you can find WordPress. So just click WordPress. Then you will find this page. Here you can see this is a one WordPress section. Just click install. Then you need to select some change some setting or select some setting. Here you can see this is the WordPress version, current version 5, and previous version 598. So I'm selecting current version 5. Then you need to choose your protocol. You can choose http/www dot or http/www dot. So I recommend you just select https because it's have SSL. So I'm selecting this one. Then you need to choose your domain name. This is my domain name. If you have your multiple domain, you can select that one, which domain you want to install WordPress. So then you need to delete this directory. You need to keep this directory blank, because when you write something, suppose bt, that means WordPress file install under the bt folder. So I'm delete this, make this section empty. Then you need to write something, your blog name. So I keep this default. You need to change. If you want to change your site name, then you need to write something. Suppose I like to write something, site name, my site, welcome. Then you site description, you can write something site description, and you can also change it after install. So I keep this default. I will change this after installing. Then you need to provide your WordPress username and password. So I am using, suppose, user test. Then you can write your own user. I keep for example, I keep it test. And you need to provide your password, WordPress password. I'm generating my password. This is strong. You can generate from this key, or you can write your own password. I'm generating because it's more strong, and I'm copy and save this password, username, password. So after saving, just you need to provide your own Gmail address, because when you changing something or you need to recover your WordPress password, if you forget, then a reset link will send to your email. So I'm providing my Gmail. I recommend you provide your valid Gmail, because this is more important for reset your WordPress. So you can choose your own language. I keep it English. So keep others settings as default. You can choose your own theme from here. I'm not installing theme from here because I have Premiere theme. So I click install. It will take little bit time. Here you can see your WordPress website. You can see one notification: congratulations, the software was installed successfully. WordPress has successfully installed to this website. This is my website, due2your.com, and this is my author login WordPress login URL. So now I'm going to my WordPress admin panel. So this is my WordPress admin panel. So if I go to my own site, this is my own site. It's default, so you can install theme from here. So installing your own theme, so installing your own theme, WordPress theme, just go to your appearance, then select theme, and you can choose your default theme from here, or you can add your own premium theme or custom theme from here. Just select upload, and your theme will need to be installed. So in this way you can install WordPress automatically, just providing some your username, password, and just clicking install. So I hope you understand, and you can easily install WordPress from your cpanel easily. So thank you for watching, and in upcoming video I try to show you how you can install WordPress manually. If you have any problem to install automatically, then you can install WordPress manually. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.